What is up guys, mine's Andrew, welcome back to another video on this channel. Now today's video, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading for, let's say about 6 weeks, I'll say. And tomorrow's the last day of being in the beautiful city of Romania. It's good. You should 100% come here every holiday. I guess like mostly 6 weeks holidays or the winter holidays. We might not be going this winter holidays, but we usually do. We might go somewhere better. I don't know where, but yeah. So you should 100% come here, as I said, and I'm just gonna be vlogging the whole, let's say the whole hour, like a few hours, I guess, whole hour. Let's see how many hours. Let's do 2 hours if I can, but I'll just be stopping it like all the time, like always stopping it, you know. But no, I am not doing 2 hours. That is too much video. Let's say 20 minutes. Yeah, that's better than 2 hours. Okay, but and tomorrow we might be doing a house tour. So stay tuned until we get 5 likes. Yeah. See you. Okay, so guys, now I am in the car. Yeah. Let me show you some things in Romania. Is it cool, right? Isn't it cool? I guess they are really very good stuff, like buildings and stuff like that, really. Yeah, we're going to the countryside that's where my gun's gonna be. And as I told you, that the content failed, so yeah, I'm just gonna be try shooting it. We had like a paper plate and we had to shoot it, stuff like that. We did shoot it, we did kind of aim all of them. So we're going to the countryside with my guns, as I told you guys. And no, Darius does not live with me, he lives, so there's 2 countrysides. So there's one which I'm going to, like right there, and Darius is like, let's say, I go like there, right? Go like there, straight, then I go to the train, the bomb, like a bomb, train, and then I go straight, diagonal, left, right there. Okay, so wait, there's a call, so yeah. See the phone call finished, and now I'm just gonna continue vlogging. It takes 2 days to go by car from England to Romania to England, but honestly, I think that when you go from Romania back to England, it's faster. Not because it's 2 hours earlier in England than in Romania, but it's like, it's, I don't know how to explain it, but it's way faster. There isn't any like traffic. Well, there is traffic in both, but like it's less when you come to it back to England. I don't know, but yeah. And speaking of traffic, so much traffic right now. I don't know how to explain, just to prove. But yeah, Okay, wait, I'm trying to like show proof to you. Cause look how slow we're moving. I think cause here it's more where like the big cars come. Like of course, cause this is a 4x4 car, and it's big, of course. But the thing is with big cars, you also like what's bad about big cars is also that like you get like, so let's say when people are like crossing the road, and if you don't see them, but like other people cross the road but they have smaller cars and you have a big car, they cross the road, the police can only see you from the cameras, which is disappointing, really. Yeah, so that was a small car compared to the big lorries and trucks. So we're taking an alternative route. Actually no, that was the alternative route. Now we're taking the normal route. I'm just gonna be a bit silent, so just see you there. Okay, so we are at the countryside. There's a few more kilometers till we arrive right where it is. Yeah. Chia? Okay, so I'm just gonna stay in the car a bit, and then I'm just gonna stop the video, and then we're gonna go to Darius's countryside, but we're not going to Darius's house. Okay. So as I said right now, so we're going to Darius's countryside, but we're not going to his house because we need to send my cousin to. It's like a mini like GP. Yeah. It just tells you what to do. Like, so basically you have papers and stuff like that, and then they tell you. It's like you go there just to tell you what you have and stuff like that, and what you need, what medicines you need. Yeah. So then I'm gonna stop the video. Yeah. Lina, don't. Okay, so stop the video. Now, as you can see, I'm in the countryside, and right here, so this is an M206 Airsoft gun. It has lots of details. Made in China. Darius also has an Airsoft gun. I don't know if I said this, but his is more realistic. Mine shoots faster, has a better fire rate, and it holds 6mm bullets. So yeah, the rest is 6 centimeters is about like that big. No. One, two. I don't know how much is 6 centimeters. Can't measure it in my hand. That is like from there to there. I don't know. Oh. So I'm just gonna be unboxing it and just like showing you all the little bits and bobs. on this. So here, so basically what I do is I press the button if you can't see, and then I take this out, or I put my little bullet. There we go. So like, okay, that's a lot. I didn't do that much, but yeah. So like, so you press there's like this, then you hold it down, but like somewhere in the middle there's a hole that I put 2 bullets in, so I don't want to put any more. Because like I lost 2 not even without shooting them or anything. Yeah. So I'm gonna put them back. And Darius' gun, he got it like way earlier than me. So that's why my bullets are almost full. He already has like 2 of these. One is empty, one is like, okay. Yeah. He shoots it way more than me. Yeah, like a little clock. I have a big blade just to shoot it. But when I go back to England, I might try testing it out. Like the park. Yeah, I'll just check if there are any more people. But yeah. They're like relaxing. I nearly said relaxing. And yeah, so now I think it was like that. Because if you put it the other way around, and you can't shoot anymore. Because look, there's like one design, and you take it out with this button, so you can see that the M206 thingy, the jiggy. Don't know if you can see it, but this is M206 the wrong way around. But the M206 thing needs to be where, because there's like a button that's inside, which you don't use, and then there's a button that's on the outside which you do use to take this out, but you don't need to use it just to put it back in. Yes, so yeah, they're actually really cool. I don't know if Darius will make a video showing it, because tomorrow is the last day, I guess. Yeah. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn your notifications so you can be notified every time I make a video. And as I said, till we get 5 likes on this video, it will be amazing.